Ortega's making chili.
Oh, I'm nervous. Looks like disgusting cow meat.
Is that raw chicken?
It is.
It's gross.
Best kind of chicken. Raw. Chicken nougat.
And now, from the cooking corner of Ortega. You can't make faces while I say things. He will show you how to make raw meat taste delectable.
Thought about that.
Listen to it. Delicious.
Chicken nougat. Like that, like nougat that you put in Three Musketeers. Just blend up some raw chicken, insert it in there. Yeah.
And now he will pull the entire finished recipe out of the oven. Quick! Magic of television.
It's going in the oven.
Oh, this fucking sucks. The worst show ever. Look, he doesn't even do the dishes. I'm gonna spit in the chicken.
Take what I can get, honey.
That's just not right. It's real flesh. That sounds disgusting. Oops.
That's why you frost it for a little and then insert your junk and go to town at it. Better than live chickens.
Magic of this cutlery.
Won't get your pecker pecked. Trying to not cut off my fingers because they're really fucking cold.